She's a wee cold one today. You know, wind chills don't affect inanimate objects. It's negative 25 today with the wind chill, which doesn't matter. No chooch out the mirror. She pumps that oil pressure. No chooch. Dad's truck's in the way, so. Oh shit. His locks are sticky. I don't know what the problem is, but I don't want to release when it's super cold like today. Of course, this truck starts always so nice. High oil pressure compared to his. They're about the same. Actually, this is probably they're the same. Oh, crunchy. This truck's in the way of mine, and I usually, well, I might have some places to go this week, so obviously. He's got his work van. He doesn't need the truck. Plowing through snow at the moment, so yeah, that should be for the moment. Yeah, I'd rather not right now. Wee little cold. Assuming cool is 8 degrees as well, so I just moved my monitor over so I could see what Dad's truck was doing, because I'm pretty sure his thermostats are bad. Well, truck's decided to run like poop here. One injector. Not really happy with life. Can't wait for spring when I can figure out what the hell's going on with my airbag module. So talking to a guy on YouTube who said airbag module out of an 05 Silverado would work in an 06. But we got down to the nitty-gritty of, well, is it a 5-speed or a 6-speed transmission? Like, well, one's 5, one's 6, and I never did hear back from him, so I'm assuming they're not compatible. Because he said, yeah, that they were, oh, that was the body module, my bad. Body module, not the airbag. I've already got an 05 airbag module out of a crew cab I've tried to put in here, but they literally have more wires on the older truck than the newer truck, which is surprising, at least for the you know what, I can't say too much about the airbag module for between the years, because it's probably hit or miss. This being an extended cab, it doesn't have any impact sensors in the rear doors or wherever else they stick them. So there's less wires on this truck than there was on that 04 crew cab I pulled the module and the wiring harness out of for the seats. So actually, you know, I'm already actually, yeah, okay, never mind. Yeah, so I'm already forgetting where I got these seats, and seats came out of a Suburban. Didn't take the wiring harness out of there because it's combined with the body harness that runs all the way back and around and wherever else. So I went to Jerry's down in Big Lake, and they had a truck, crew cab with this seat option minus the seats. So I just pulled the harness out of there, and that's where I got the airbag module from as well. But that module, the guy told me over the phone, oh, I won't work with that year. And I was just like, you know, I got the seats out of something that year. It should work. No, it won't. I've already tried. And I just plug it in and it throws 1,000,001 codes because it's missing sensors or something. Just, all right, whatever. So I gotta find I think a new airbag module for this truck, because that's what it is. It's the rollover performance, rollover sensor performance, which when you look it up is the module underneath the seat. That's your rollover sensor or whatever. And I accidentally dropped it once when I was outside the truck while I was playing around with the old other module, so that probably did it in. Although it only does it when it's cold. When it's warm, don't have a problem. So I'll probably forget about it in the springtime till next winter. Okay. I like Dad's gauge color. It's pretty nice. I'll get the, if you want the color and the person he bought them from on eBay, just let me know in the comments. I'll send you the, give you the deets. Snowbank. Ooh. Dad's rear diff actually works pretty good in this truck. Doesn't it works as it should. It's his friend. Snowbank. Oh, come on. There. Ooh. Get it? I don't know. Haven't fired the red truck up in about a week maybe. So yeah. I don't know why, but like the 07 van, you can turn the lights off when the truck's off, keys off and everything, but Silverados and stuff you can't. It's kind of annoying because I'd rather not run the battery down. I hit the lock button. The lock's like gooey or something. And the latch too. Something wrong. Someone must have put something really thick lubricant on his locks and door latches and stuff, because all his doors don't like closing and stuff. And I gotta look for a new back heater, because I replaced the bottom because that one was bad. And I think in the interim I was waiting for the bottom heater. I was using the back one. I think the back one burnt out, and apparently the back one's the one with the temp sensor. So once it gets up to temp, it just shuts off, and it'll just keep turning off instantly for a while at least. So, oh my goodness. It's cold. I forgot to grab my edge. But anyway, I'm going to grab my edge and I'm going to see what this temp is, because I like to get it to about 80, 90 degrees before I take off. So I just appreciate you guys watching, and yeah, if you want to know what Dad's color, gauge color, and LED, whatever, just comment below and I'll give you the deets on that. So thanks for watching. God bless.